Welcome to the Bendy
Monkey Show.
Monkey, are you okay?
I broke my spine.
I don't think you'll be able to.
Do you remember when we fell down the staircase?
Yeah.
I think that hurt my back. And I think my brain has brain damage while me being autistic. I have AIDS now.
Man, that led to another disorder you will have soon.
And also, does my body look normal?
No. Oh, Char, why'd you stab me?
I'm going through a brutally complex.
Selfie squeaks. You okay?
Yeah. He's hiding. He's hiding.
Char, it's mean.
Do I look,
Boy,
do I look
you-
normal?
Hold on, Ben. Hold on. Someone's calling my damn self. Hold on, Monkey Doodle. I gotta do something. Boy, if you don't get at it. Okay, come on. You can be free.
Okay.
I'll hold you.
Find Monkey Lou or else my illness will get worse. I can't be fixed from autistic.
She did.
No, she ain't.
She did.
No, she's on the hills of the couches.
Oh no! It's the alarm of destruction of the Charmander.